Like passing a note in class, some campaigns should only target a specific audience segment. This means you can't drive traffic to one landing page with boilerplate content. You need something audience-specific. What if only there was a platform that lets you build no-code microsites for different campaigns that are mobile-friendly and interactive? Today, I will discuss such a platform. So let's get started. The software I will discuss today is Kites. Using Kites, you can develop and drive segmented traffic to interactive, mobile-friendly microsites that feature audience-specific content. Features: build interactive, mobile-friendly microsites for any campaign without code. Create a memorable experience for your audience using a drag-and-drop editor. Generate custom QR codes for easy access to your microsite across devices. Measure campaign results without using any cookies, and more. Price: they have 4 plans. Free: create innovative kites free of cost with 500 monthly visits, 5 kites, 100 plus templates, and 1 gigabyte for uploading files for free. Pro: achieve your goals and interact with your consumers with 5,000 monthly visits, 10 kites. Business templates and kites branding is not displayed for €29 per month billed monthly and €19 per month billed annually. Business: customize your content and analyze its performance with 50,000 monthly visits, unlimited kites, pro templates, and unlimited GB. For €99 per month billed monthly and €79 per month billed annually. And Enterprise: the perfect tailor-made plan for your needs with VIP support, unlimited kites, customized templates, and kites and personalized QRs. This is the custom plan. That means you should contact them for this plan. But they have some lifetime deals. License Tier 120 published kites and 10,000 total kite views per month for $19 instead of $350. License Tier 250 published kites, 100,000 total kite views per month, 5 custom domains for sharing kites, and removal of kites branding for $59 instead of $950. License Tier 3, unlimited published kites, 300,000 total kite views per month, 10 custom domains for sharing kites, and removal of kites branding for $159 instead of $2,400. License Tier 4, unlimited published kites, 750,000 total kite views per month, 50 custom domains for sharing kites, and removal of kites branding for $259 instead of $4,000. And License Tier 5, unlimited published kites, 1,500,000 total kite views per month, 100 custom domains for sharing kites, and removal of kites branding for $359 instead of $6,000. Features included in all plans: unlimited slides, global visit data, unlimited iframe integrations for sharing kites, advanced analytics, integrations with Google Forms, Typeform, Zapier, WhatsApp, Spotify, YouTube, and all future integrations. Create kites with payments, images, video, interactive and non-clickable maps, forms, links, audio, and more. Personalized attention, kite with quiz, dynamic link, unlimited languages within each kite. Customer review: you will be amazed if you see their reviews. They have 26 reviews on the Appsumo, and Trustpilot has only 1 review. That means this is completely new software. So, take advantage of this opportunity to save time and increase productivity. Check the link in the description for a lifetime deal and an extra 10% discount today. Remember to comment if you need a review of any software. Oh wait, if you need a video editor, audio engineer, or YouTube manager, feel free to contact us. See you in the following video. Thank you.